Hello guys, and welcome back for another amazing video, and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. We are very grateful for the support that you've been showing us all through. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a short clip or a short video of a bed transformation that I did. So I hope you will enjoy, and comment down below, tell me what you think about this video. So let's start the video. So this is the before. This is how the bed looked like. This is what I'm going to be dealing with today. So stay tuned, watch the video as I explain all the steps that I followed. So this is where I have already added this part here that you see on the screen. This is just an adjustment layer that I usually use to raise the headboard, because most of these bed you find them they are at 3 feet or less than that, so I usually raise them to 4 or 5 feet. So after adjusting the headboard, I usually use a plywood on it, then draw the patterns that I'm going for. Like for this one, I'm going to be doing tufting, and then if it's another design that I'm going for, I usually just do it here. That is drawing the design that I want on the headboard, then start doing the design. So here I've just done it. Now this is the progress. This is where I've reached in doing this. So here, as you can see on the screen, I've already done the tufting, covered some parts, and also I've already done the sideboards. This for the headboard, this one that you see having the corkers on them. Also I've done the lower side, also the sideboards, I've already covered them. So what is just remaining is joining all the pieces together, and the bed transformation will be done.